Hello. So this is November 2020. So I don't know what part of the world you're tuning in from on my channel, for those of you who have subscribed to me so far, but wanted to say how thankful I am because I live in the state of California and we had the biggest, hottest fire season, honestly, in history. It was very, very scary. And so I'm so thankful that we finally had rain and the temperatures are finally cooling off. So yes, at first it was a shock because we had a heat wave last for as long as we did, but now it's just something to definitely be thankful for, and so thankful for beautiful nature, and it is absolutely beautiful.